Hi guys. Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I look sweet chilly. Today I changed my background because I thought like let me just change my background. But anyways, today's video I'm gonna do how to contour and how to highlight your dark skin, chocolate skin of yours. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like and share and hit the button right now. Stop the video. I'll be here waiting for you to watch this video and like and share and comment and good stuff on my channel. And make sure they come back next time because I always have videos for you guys. Always have a video for you guys, so make sure you subscribe and like and share all the good stuff. So I've been watching this video and I think people, they want to know like how to contour, how to highlight. For me, in my head, I thought 2018 I thought everyone knows exactly what to do because makeup is everywhere. So I thought in my head everyone knows exactly what to do because it's 2018, for God's sake. 2018, everyone, they have their own way how to do their makeup and stuff. So I thought, is it necessary for me to do this tutorial today? Because I think everyone knows exactly what to do when it comes to makeup, especially girls. Even boys these days. Boys, I think they're better than girls. Maybe just my opinion, but I think most of the guys, they're better. They have like amazing makeup, but then girls, and they look fantastic better than most of the girls, the makeup. So I thought everyone knows how to do the makeup. Maybe just my silly me, my silly me. I'm being silly. I love this foundation. If you're a new subscriber, probably now you can see me using this foundation by Rihanna. I love this foundation. Love. Guys, what do you think about my background? Today I changed a little bit of my background because I think like you guys have been used, like you get used to it, me like shooting my video in my bedroom and stuff. So that was like, let me just change the background to shoot a different place. So you guys comment below and tell me if you like this background or you don't like it, or you want me to shoot in my bedroom. But I like this background, something different in it, because I've been using the same background all the time. So this is quite brand new for me as well. I think I look a little bit, yeah, I look a little bit different this background, because I think the background is like popping. And when I say popping, the background is like giving me life right now. I love this foundation. It's like, oh. But anyways, go back to the makeup. So in my stupid head of mine, I thought that everyone knows how to do makeup. Like 2018, for God's sake, everyone knows what product to use when it comes to highlight, to contour and stuff. So I thought, what's the point for me to do the video that right now everyone knows exactly what they do? Yeah. So I thought everyone knows exactly what they're doing when it comes to makeup. Especially girls, because we don't play any games, and even guys as well. Why am I saying girls every time? Even guys as well don't know how to do the makeup. So I didn't feel it's necessary for me to do how to contour and how to highlight your pretty face of yours. So today I was like, let me just do it, because I got quite I saw quite loads of video people are doing it, so I'm like, let me just do it as well, because I thought everyone would know how to do the makeup, but that's not the case, isn't it? I remember when I started to do my makeup, oh my god, it was disaster. When I say disaster, it was disaster. It's my silly me thinking, oh my god, everyone knows how to do the makeup. Who doesn't know how to do the makeup? So I was like, you know what? Today, I will just do it. Because it's not baddie. I won't say everyone knows how to do makeup, you know, because once upon a time, I was the girl. I didn't know how to do my makeup. Yeah, I didn't know how to do my makeup. And then When I tell you I didn't know how to do my makeup, oh my god. I don't, you know what, I want to talk about that story today. I will talk about that story another day. Today, no. Today's not the day for me to talk about I didn't know how to do my makeup. That's not my real life though. But I don't. Oh god, when I said I didn't know how to do my makeup, boy. The girl, she didn't know how to do their makeup. When I tell you I didn't know how to do my makeup, I didn't know how to do my makeup. But anyways, highlight is them kind of things. That highlight that right now I'm doing is the place that you want to be seen. The place that you want to be highlighted, like to be a little bit lighter than your face. So that's why you see people highlight right here. So I take 2 shades. This NARS is more lighter. When I say lighter, it's lighter than my skin. So that's the shade that you have to use. But I use 2 concealers. But if you don't want to use 2 concealer, that's to you, obviously. But you can tell the NARS concealer is lighter. When I say lighter, it's so light. Then I'm gonna take my darkest shade, so to do the part that I want it to be a little bit darker. So I'm just gonna put it right here in my nose area. There you go. And I'm gonna put it on my forehead as well, so that it can make my forehead a little bit smaller. In my chin, because you don't want that chin to be popping, you want that chin to be a little bit smaller. So this is what you do. And that's it. That's the highlight process there. Beauty blender, and then just blend everything that put it in your face. I love you, my baby. Love you, my baby. I love that song. Love that song. Yo, what the hell is going on in this place anymore? Ooh, baby, please don't go. Do you think I got a good voice, guys? I think I do have a good voice. But anyways, so this is the highlight process. So remember, you have to blend everything, guys. No matter how much product you put, I think highlight is them kind of things. You have to be careful what kind of shade you use in your face as well. It's not because, oh, I just have to pick any light shade in my skin and just use it. No, just be careful, because sometimes it can be a little bit, it can look a little bit hot, like I don't know how to explain this to you guys. Pick the right shade for your tone, your skin tone. That's what I'm gonna say. Because if you wanna be like, oh, let me just pick any light skin, the light shade that I can find on my skin tone, it can be a little bit too much for your skin tone, so you waste your money. So just pick that. You don't have to use light shade in your skin tone. You can use the same shade as your skin tone, but make it a little bit. You can use it like a you can even use a foundation. If you got foundation you brought and then you don't use it, it's lighter than your skin, use that. That can be your contour. Use that first and see how it looks like. But don't use light shade, because if you use a light shade, it can be a little bit pain of the eyes, you know. And I'm gonna blend that, the dot bit right here, the one that I put it, and right there as well. So make sure everything is blend. Whatever you do, make sure everything is blend, because you don't want to look like a clown. You don't want to look like it. Funny noses. You know what, yeah? You guys never ever like, are you home by yourself, but you feel someone, like you can hear the footstep or you can hear some noise, you think like someone home. That's like me right now. I feel like there's a ghost in this house, like can hunt me down, trying to hunt me down, but I'm like, no, you cannot hunt me down right now. Here's my banana powder, the place that I highlighted. Oh my god, this place is literally so scary. Nobody's at home, but I can tell like some noises. This is really pissing me off. Where's that all the noise coming from right now? Obviously, I didn't highlight that place, but I like to pour some extra banana powder. It doesn't hurt. I'm gonna put my eye area as well because I know that I look like a crazy person right now, but don't worry. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put my eyeshadow, I'm gonna put my lipstick, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna wash everything away on my face. And then yeah, see you in a bit. So guys, I'm back. I didn't put my lipstick on. Anyways, I'm gonna put it later. So I am back, guys. I already done most of the stuff that I was supposed to do. I did my eyes. The eyelash that I'm using is Koko Lashes Queen Bee. Queen Bee's giving me life right now. Yes. So right now I'm just gonna go in. I'm just gonna put a little bit darker right there. And I'm just gonna continue dark contour in the dark shade for me in my chin, in my forehead, because I want my forehead to be a little bit smaller. In my chin as well, I want to have a small chin. It doesn't hurt to have a small chin sometimes. You want to be a top model, this is the process you want to be. If the product off, everything off, and my banana powder. This is it. This is how you highlight and contour your face. You don't have to do too much. Like I said, be careful what product you use. Because some product you use, it might make you a little bit ashy, a little bit lighter and stuff. So you just have to know how to balance your skin tone and how what product is the best for your skin tone as well, and what is the best way to use it. Spray my face. I'm gonna take it, I'm just gonna highlight right there, and you're gonna do the same thing. So what I use for the highlight, so I just took the brush and I'm just gonna, like, obviously it's a buildable, so you can build the highlight how you want it. So if you want a lot, or if you want to like a little bit pretty highlight but you cannot see it just there, so I'm just gonna go like that until my eyebrow right there, because I already highlight my eyebrow corner right there. So I'm just gonna link it a little bit to just go there to look like a little bit natural. That's what I like. but people that do it a different way, you know. I'm gonna highlight my nose as well, just so. And I'm gonna highlight my forehead, just that bit right there. Just natural highlight to look up to. And I'm gonna use my pinky finger to just highlight it right there, because I don't wanna a lot, so that's how I'm gonna highlight right there, like that. So you cannot see it that much, but it's there somewhere. And so I'm just gonna blend it. And I'll just put it right here as well. In my chin area. I do it like this. I don't put the extra. It's just extra ones that I have in my brush. I'll just put it in my neck as well to glow, you know, to glow. My lipstick, my lip gloss. Seriously, I can hear somewhere in my house, but it's not in my house, it's only me. So it's so strange how I can hear the footstep. Fucking hell. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope this video, not even enjoy the video, I hope you guys actually this video does help you a little bit, have like a little clear mind how to contour and how to highlight. I hope I did a good job, guys. So anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.